Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class, Civics, Unit 2, Citizens and Citizenship. Topics covered in previous class: Introduction about citizens and citizenship, types of citizenship, acquisition of Indian citizenship. Now, we are going to learn about laws of Indian citizenship, single citizenship, rights and duties of citizen. Now, laws of Indian citizenship. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11, prescribes three ways of losing citizenship. They are renunciation, termination, deprivation. By renunciation, any citizen of India of full age and capacity can make a declaration renouncing his Indian citizenship. Second point, upon registration of such declaration, the person ceases to be citizen of India. Third, if such a declaration made during a war in which India is engaged, its registration shall be withheld by the central government. Fourth point, further, when a person renounces his Indian citizenship, every minor children of that person also loses Indian citizenship. However, at the age of 18 years, they may resume the Indian citizenship. By termination, when an Indian citizen acquires voluntarily the citizenship of any other country, his Indian citizenship automatically terminates. However, this provision does not apply during a war because of national security and some considerations which are mentioned in the Act. By deprivation, it is a compulsory termination of Indian citizenship by the central government if citizenship obtained by fraud. Second one, citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India. Third, citizen has unlawfully traded or communicated with the enemy country during the time of war. Fourth, citizen within 5 years after naturalization or registration being imprisoned in any country for 2 years. Fifth, the citizen has been ordinarily a resident outside India continuously for 7 years. Then, Indian citizenship can be terminated by the central government. Single citizenship. Single citizenship means that all Indians, irrespective of the state of their domicile, are citizens of India. Domicile means a home or resident. This is unlike USA, which offers dual citizenship. A person there can be a citizen of the New York state as well as an American citizen. But in India, a person born in Bihar or Punjab is only a citizen of India and not of their respective states. Why was it done? It was done to ward off separatist tendencies and promote brotherhood and unity among the people. That is called single citizenship. Rights and duties of citizen. Our constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. They are fundamental rights. There are 6 types of fundamental rights. And then right to vote in the election to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature. Then right to hold certain public offices. The last, a right to become the member of parliament and state legislature for the state. So according to 42nd amendment of our constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. For example, paying taxes honestly, respecting the rights, beliefs and opinions of others, defending the country, respect and obey state and local laws, and so on. Dear students, today we have learned about laws of citizenship. There are 3 ways of losing citizenship. They are renunciation, termination, and deprivation. And then about single citizenship, our Indian constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. And then rights and duties of citizen. Are you clear, students? Thank you.